All right, hi, I'm Joseph. I'm from LumenRadio. We're down here at ISE 2025, and we have brought with us something for fixed installations as well. This is our product Galileo Max, part of the Galileo series of products. They're designed for fixed installations like this. You mount it on a DIN rail and you put it somewhere where you need wireless DMX. This device, it can be powered with power over Ethernet or 12 volts, and you stream your ArtNet or ACN data straight through the Ethernet port. In this demo, we are using a Pharos controller, but any kind of source for data is fine. Galileo Max also has a web interface where you can monitor your network. It has a built-in RDM controller, and you can access this remotely as long as you're on the same network. If you want to go outdoor and you think like I want to have an installation outdoor, well, these products are meant for that as well, when you simply put them in an outdoor kit. So if you have a project for a permanent installation and you want some wireless DMX to save you that time and get some creativity going, the Galileo series is for you. So if you want to know more, check out lumenradio.com.